Well, the National Weather Service has winter weather advisories eastern Indiana all the way into Ohio and also south of us down in Kentucky. Now, this is where some of the heavier snowfall is going to occur, but I think some of this heavier snowfall banding will make it into some of our eastern counties. So that kind of gives you a clue on what direction I'm going here. Heavier totals will generally be in our eastern counties for this event. If you look at this, boy, a lot of winter weather advisories, even some winter storm warnings north and south of here. And it's going to be an interesting little setup. This low diving southward and a new one forming down here in Oklahoma will tend to gel about right here as we get into the overnight. And that's what will bring some snow to the area by tomorrow. So snow will come in tomorrow morning, and the snow, it'll be pretty quick moving. I mean, once we get into afternoon, it'll start to get out of here. Around 2 inches to as much as 6 in a few places, with a wintry mix coming in once we get into Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening, before it changes to rain on Sunday night. The clouds are thickening up, though. Again, we're going to go overcast as we head into the overnight hours, as this low and then a developing one to the southwest tend to merge about right here in this area. Now, in Futurecast, again, it's just not painting much snow. This is one of the outlying models that still continue to not paint much at all. Notice this is 8 a.m. and this is 1 p.m. Just a few little snow showers. That doesn't even paint a whole lot in eastern Ohio. I tend to disagree with this, but I'm showing you this to kind of give you an idea of the timing. So snow will start to come in probably around 8 o'clock or so, and then still some snow around at 1 p.m., and then it gradually will start to get out of here. There's 4, and there's midnight tomorrow night. In fact, tomorrow night will go clear, and that'll allow the temperature to drop into the single digits. And then once we get into later Saturday night, notice already clouds streaming in from the west. That is the system that'll begin to move in here on Sunday. So here we go, system tomorrow evening coming out of the southwest after it kind of gels together here, and that'll spread some snow across the area on Friday with an ice storm down here in the Appalachians and Piedmont of the southeast. Now, this is the prediction from yesterday, 3 to 6 area wide with that 6 to 8 eastern Indiana into Ohio, and I've been able to kind of whittle this away a little bit. Rather than having a broad 3 to 6 inch total, it looks like about 2 to 6. Once you head near the state line, about 1 to 2. Now, Lafayette, Rensselaer, Monticello, Crawfordsville, Attica, Covington, Pine Village, around 2, perhaps 2.5. The totals go up as you go eastward. So Logansport, 3 to 5. Peru, 3 to 5. And then as the low really develops east of here, we'll get some of these banding features, and we may have a couple of bands here that get up to 6. And that's why Ohio's got the winter weather advisories, because there'll be some locations that get the 5 and 6 inch amounts. Again, upper teens to around 20 tonight. Tomorrow will be in the mid to upper 20s area wide. And then on Saturday, a little bit colder, upper teens to lower 20s area wide. 7-day forecast, though. There you have the snow tomorrow gradually winding down. 20 on Saturday, 29 Sunday, wintry mix developing later on in the day, but that will change over to rain on Sunday night as we rise to 36 and rain, 41 Monday, 54 on Tuesday with periodic rain, then perhaps a little bit more snow as we get into later next week. But some snow on the way. It'll be enough to slicken things up quite a bit tomorrow, and then, hey, 50s for at least one day next week.
That'll be nice.
It will be.
Chad, thanks.
Okay.